La vipi? Poa mwana. Keep on watching guys. This is Makamugenda. Karibu bana. Yalo rito kuchelewa mwanangu. Matumbo. Koroga na rito. Durita. Okay. This is my Makamugenda. Tanzania. But yeah, thank you so much guys, bro. Keep on watching. Bonjour. Bonjour. Je m'appelle Makamugenda. Je chante la musique, ça s'appelle Nyatiti. Yeah. Je m'appelle Makamugenda. Je chante musique, s'appelle Nyatiti. Yeah. Je viens de Kisumu. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that's bonjour. Diani. Je viens de Diani. Je chante la musique, j'appelle Nyatiti. Yeah, you see. Huh? Yeah, so just keep on watching, bro. It's a special evening, guys. This is how it is. Keep on watching. Jambo. My name is Makamugenda on the YouTube channel. You can follow. I play African guitar called Nyatiti. It's called Makamugenda. Please subscribe, madam, YouTube.
Parli italiano?
Maga.
Sorry.
Yeah, so keep on watching, guys. Madam, naweza nikawachezea ngoma kidogo? Okay. Yeah, Diani, Kenya. Hey. Merangana wacho kwa Italia, Italia kwenye. Yeah, Diani, Kenya. Kenya, yeah. Diani Shont, Kenya. Hey, yeah. Shunte Diani, Kenya. Yeah, golfe. Yeah, this vibe. Ko Nyatiti vibe. So here Diani, Kenya. Yeah, Francais, I see. Tuh dia. Aku kita France what? Okay. Yeah. So just keep watching. Yeah, keep watching. Maka. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, keep on watching. Yeah, Diani. Yeah, keep on watching. Watch it. What's your name? I want Sapel Nyatiti. The instrument say Nyatiti. Yeah. Keep on watching. It's called Makamugenda. I wonder why nobody don't like me. Oh, it's the fact that I'm so ugly. Yeah. Put down your comments. Comment it on. I wonder why nobody don't like me. Yeah, keep on watching. Put down your comment, guys. Put down a comment. Yeah, it's Makamugenda. Here in Diani. Yeah, this is Nyatiti vibe, guys. Are you enjoying the vibe? Yeah! Are you enjoying the vibe? Keep on watching. You can put down your comment on comment section. Makamugenda vibe with Nyatiti instrument from Lake Region. Yeah! Yeah, one in the Nyakomoro. Yeah! Yeah. Yeah. Put down your comment, guys. Here is Makamugenda. This we call bang after job session. I'm vibing with you with the instrument called Nyatiti. Yeah. Put down your comment, guys. Put down your comment. Comment section. I want to see comment. Communicate. Are you enjoying the instrument called Nyatiti, guys? Yeah. Waneno nyako moro kata nyigenga. Yeah, waneno nyako moro kata nyigenga. Yeah. Yeah, thank you guys. Keep on watching. It's Makamugenda with a special instrument called Nyatiti. I'm just trying to fight with you here in Diani, guys. With the instrument called Nyatiti, guys. It's a very special evening here with me, Makamugenda. Yeah, just subscribe, watch my video, guys. Still here, I'm in Diani, guys. This is how it is. It's what it is, guys. But just keep on watching, keep on watching. I'm vibing with you. Keep on watching. Right now, I want to give you another song. Yeah! Are you enjoying the vibe? Ngalokalo dio chenge luoro mbese yo. Ngalokalo dio chenge luoro mbese yo. Aparo riega nyama nyanya romo kituma. Atero dala nyonyola do keni keto. Todira chom kure. Era de Makamugenda. Yeah, Mugenda. Yeah. Put down your comment, guys. We can chant. Enjoy the vibe with Makamugenda, guys. This is a very special evening. Yeah. Yeah. Ina jom kure. Era de. Ina jom kure Mugenda. Era de. Onyani kaine nega. Ochalom biske. Yeah. Yeah. China duoge lala. Arange kienyeji. Ololo. Aigona lupo kienyeji. Yeah. Imanyo nyaga. Imanyo nyaga. Imanyo nyaga. Imanyo nyaga. Imanyo nyaga. Imanyo nyaga. Ine alamba chanuka. Imanta magi nyidala maboko chanuka. Samika bitere kapango lokore jua yote. Nalono Kiswahili. Atimi sibangwi. Oh, sibangwi. Yeah. By the time you take a lady, keep on watching, guys. A village lady, you decide to change her life so that you can see how city is. So later, the lady decides. The lady changed her mind. Reach a point the lady just don't want to hear. Even if you try to speak to the lady, she don't want to hear you. Yeah. Yep. You know, Chuna, I better keep Jangoma. Yeah! Are you doing the bad guys? Yeah! Omiyo wako no ati wako single. Ah, you wanna enjoy? You udanganyifu. Yeah, this is a big lie. I see some people saying they are single, they are enjoying the vibe. They are single, they are enjoying life. How can you enjoy life and you are single one? That's a big lie. You know life is very sweet by the time you have a lover. Someone who can take care of you, someone who can look at you. Yeah. Keep on watching and put down your comment, guys. If you are enjoying, if you are not getting anything, you can ask. Yeah. 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 We call it love, love. You know life is a very special thing. By the time you have someone who take care of you, I see my friend by the name Sudi Boy. Rudi. Naona kitambi inakuja bwana, kuna mabadiliko bwana. That's the story, guys. Put down your comment, guys, if you are watching, if you are getting the vibe of Nyatiti. This Makamugenda right now, I'm in Diani. This is a beach vibe, guys. You are enjoying by the time you are in beach. Yeah, keep on watching, guys. This Makamugenda with the special instrument called Nyatiti. Yeah, let me say hi to my friend over there, Bwana. Don't you? Keep on watching. Put down your comment, guys. Yeah, this is how it is. It is what it is. What you are saying. This is how it is. How am I going? Yeah, this is a guy by the way. The guy is called Juma. Juma is my friend. Yeah, I see someone from France is watching. I see some happy day. Bonjour, bonjour. Wow, bonjour, bonjour. Mon ami, I'm single. Yeah. When you want to say you are single in French, you say I'm single. I'm single. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. That's the view of Diani Beach. Yeah, you see, this is how beach is, guys. Keep on watching. It's Makamugenda with a special instrument called Nyatiti. Just swimming around Diani, guys. Yeah. Yeah, the guy you see is a captain. Sim Chezo. Wachera sando chunyo mina vyambo. Bwana kuna baridi ma. No, ya mapenzi. This is Nyatiti vibe, guys. Wachera sando chunyo mina vyambo. Yeah. Wachinyiri sando chunyo mina ke. Yeah. Hey, whoa. Oh, baba. Wacho dieje shando chunyo mina diambo. Yeah. No, haya mapenzi, haya mapenzi akivunjika, wengine wanalia sana mama. Wanadwara msomo mama. Saya atoko chunonya kimya. Wow, this is a vibe, guys. With Makamugenda, yeah.
Mzungu nilikuletea juzi huko imba huko mzuri ya kuchukua ya kuiba maana roho yake maana nilikuwa magengo wale watoto wake ni mmoja
bora ni mia details bora ngine jambo gani bei bora ni goli na
yana wote na vile kwa
Matio cosa ne può prendere? Sono qua allora. Era allora. Muzungu donge biro. Jambo. Hayo. Tutaku vichon. Ya ne, tangu. Ya ye. Mau aja. Keep on watching, guys. Yeah, this is a special evening, guys. We see there's some Yoruba just walking around. Neno gi, kiani maber. Ya, dai go mera nyati wa.
ina record both side.
Both side aje.
Sioni ina kufungua
bana. Anti-retention yao. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Let me talk to these guys. Yeah, guys, I was just talking with a beautiful Mzungu. Yeah, the lady from Europe, yeah, this is how the vibe is. Keep on watching. It's Makamugenda. Kantuni
Mimi naenda nyumbani.
wewe unaenda Kadala. Kora iritaka.
Aritika.
Dongari wakaguwe kujoga.
Okay.
Guys, keep on watching. Donga miruka. Mana kai ndio kucha ka. Yeah, guys, this is how it is, guys. You know, we have to vibe. By the time you are vibing, after vibing also we have to do something like walking. So right now I'm just walking along. Yeah, show you how the beautiful is the beach, guys. You see there's a big family there in Diani. Yeah, you have to look there, you have to see the environment also, guys. You have to appreciate the environment. Yeah, this is how it is. What you are seeing. Kali kabisa. Yeah, keep on watching this, guys. This is a very special evening with Makamugenda. Yeah, I'll just take you around, roam with you around, guys. You see this how Diani is, guys. It's a very special evening. Yeah, Diani. This is how Diani is. Yeah, just keep on watching with Makamugenda. I'll just play for you some vibe. Guys, still some kids. So you see, down your comment, guys.